flap heel practice exercise combination. That's what we're going to do. All you have to do is follow along. Let's jump in. We're going to be alternating back and forth between swing style flap heels and straight rhythm flap heels, so you'll be fluid with both. Let's start with 2 flap heels with a swing style. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, ready, 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4. From here, we're going to do 2 straight rhythm style flap heels, and 5, and 6, and 7. I'll show that again. That was and 5, and 6, and 7. Beautiful. Connect it from the top. 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, followed by stamp, stamp, and 8. Put that all together from the top. 6, ready, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And we're going to take that whole pattern we just did and do it twice in a row. Here we go. Top. 6, ready, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's roll that one more time. 6, ready, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From here, right foot's free. We're going to stay with the straight style flap heels. Flap heel stamp, flap heel stamp. All right. Again, that was flap heel stamp, flap heel stamp. Now jump back to swing. A swing flap heel, a swing flap heel. Good. So let's cover just the new stuff. We have flap heel stamp with a straight style twice, and then 2 swing flap heels. New part right now. 6, 7, 8, flap heel stamp, flap heel stamp, a swing heel, a swing heel. Now repeat the flap heel stamp. Repeat this part, repeat this part. Good. Let's do all of the new stuff. 5, 6, ready, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. You can feel it. We're right there. We just got to finish it. From there, we're doing stamp, stamp, flap, heel. So we're going to do stamp, stamp, and swing, heel. It's kind of a slower swing one at the end. Great. Now you know the whole second half. Let's just practice the new stuff from flap, heel, stamp, flap, heel, stamp, and swing, heel, and swing, heel. And 5, 6, ready, go. Flap, heel, stamp, flap, heel, stamp, and swing, heel, and swing, heel, flap, heel, stamp, flap, heel, stamp, 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 and swing, heel. We're going to do that all again. So if you're struggling, no worries. Same exact part. I'm going to count it out this time. 5, 6, ready, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 7, 8. Yes! We're going to do that one more time. After that, we'll go revisit the beginning. One more time, same spot. 5, 6, ready, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 7, 8. Super. Now we're going to go from the top. And if you don't remember the top, it's okay. Happens to me all the time. I'm going to go back and review. From the top, we had 2 flap heels with a swing rhythm. A 1, 2, a 3, 4. Then 2 straight rhythm and 2 stamps. And 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Then we repeat that whole pattern. And swing, heel, and swing, heel, and straight rhythm like this. Stamp, stamp. So that's kind of how the beginning flowed. Let's just do that first half to reacquaint ourselves with it. 5, 6, first half, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then it goes into the second half. That was the newer part. 6, new part, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, a 5, 6, a 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 7, 8. Super. All right. It's time. We're going top all the way through. You can do it. If you get lost, just keep following me, but I think you got this. 5, and 6 from the top. And 5, 6, ready, go. A 1, 2, a 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. A 1, 2, a 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 7, 8. Beautiful. Now, if you had trouble anywhere, I'm guessing it was transitioning from the end of the first half into the beginning of the second half. That's transitioning from fa-lap, heel, stamp, stamp, fa-lap, heel, stamp, fa-lap, heel, stamp, because you don't get to pause at all before we go into the second half. So let's practice that transition from fa-lap the second time. Fa-lap, heel, stamp, stamp, so we can go directly into fa-lap, heel, stamp, fa-lap, heel, stamp. So we're only going to do that transition. So follow along with me and we'll practice it. 5, 6, ready, go. Fa-lap, heel, stamp, stamp, fa-lap, heel, stamp, fa-lap, heel, stamp. Same thing, just that tiny transition section. 5, 6, ready, go. Fa-lap, heel, stamp, stamp, fa-lap, heel, stamp, fa-lap, heel, stamp. Okay. We're going back from top again. We're going to do it one more time all the way through. This time I'll count you in, but then I'm not going to count while we're tapping so you can hear your feet. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. That is our flap heel practice exercise combination. If you want more of those, click on the link down below for our Practice 315. It's a collection of 315 practice exercise combinations, each one focusing on a specific step, like flap heel. We have ones that focus on double cramp roll and Irish and all the different steps. If you're a teacher and you would like that, plus you would like our TAP dictionary / syllabus, and you'd like our across the floor combinations, and our choreography, and our lessons, and ideas for class. How can I make warm-ups more interesting? How can I make across the floors more interesting? How do I handle when I have a split level class? All different kinds of things like that. Check out our Ultimate Teacher Package. There's a link down there below, the Ultimate Teacher Package. It'll just give you so much content and so many ideas to make teaching easier and a lot more fun. Thanks so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.